out here stuck in my driveway. Aaron's stuck over there. Tried to whip it around before I took out the truck house here, but I'm gonna roll it, get it back on course. We're moving these because they're about to get avalanche on by the roof. Oh yeah. Well, currently in a blizzard in Anchorage, picking up some boards for the house. We're gonna put them on the tower today. And about to head south again, but I'm gonna make myself a quick stop to wake up. All right, we are back home. Gonna get to work in another and yet another foot of snow. Still out here dumping. Freaking crazy.